Long time no hair treatment. Hello everyone, and how are you all doing? So in this video I'm going to be making a protein hair treatment on my natural hair. So I'll be making use of avocado, banana and egg, as you can see in the video. So let's get started. Protein hair treatment comes with lots of benefits. Number one, it strengthens hair, it makes hair softer and smoother, and also it creates fuller and healthier hair. It also prevents hair breakage, and also it helps hair to retain moisture. As a matter of fact, it is a must for everyone to do this once in a while. As you can see, I've blended the mixture, so let's get started. Time. Now that the protein mixture has been added on the hair, so for optimum result, it is advisable that you massage the scalp thoroughly with the mixture is on the hair, so that it can penetrate onto the scalp. As you all know that anytime you are treating your hair, the most important part of the head you are working on is your scalp, okay, because that is where the hair grows from. So now I'm done massaging my scalp with the mixture, and the next step is to cover my hair. So now I'm going to leave this for like about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, okay, so that the hair can steam very well. All right. So now my hair is well steamed and it is time for me to wash it. As you can see in the video, my hair looks so fluffy and softer. Okay, you can see how healthy the hair looks. So now I'm going to wash my hair. All right. So I used to do also to wash my hair. You know, when you are on natural hair, it is better for you to just go for all natural stuff. You can actually use whatever that works for you. Look at it here. My hair is ready. And as a matter of fact, I've not used any leave-in conditioner on my hair for almost 6 months now, and you need to see the texture of my hair. My hair is so soft. And don't forget that in any cream you are mixing, you need a lot of shea butter. And wow, look at the outcome. Hmm? Natural is everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Where are you watching from? Let's connect in the comment section. Love you all. Bye.